ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गधामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्थकटाक्षलब्धविभवत् ब्रह्मेन्द्र गंगाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियां। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्धसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
Fiji World School extends a warm welcome to one and all. Good morning to one and all on the occasion of Children's Day. I thank Satyanarayana sir for the prayer. Okay, among the various skills, one among it is the communication skill. And all of us, you all know that it can be enhanced in the schooling only through your beloved language teachers. Here are some of the messages of your language teachers.
Good morning, my dear children. Children's Day is a day filled with love, purity, and innocence that you bring to this world. With big dreams packed in your twinkling eyes and boundless love in your unbiased hearts, can make this world a beautiful garden. I would like to congratulate the parents and the teachers for planting the seeds of compassion, humility, and leadership in the young minds. I urge all the teachers and the parents to show benevolence towards the students. Fistful of benevolence adds bountiful of happiness. Once again, I wish all the students a happy Children's Day. Today, let us learn new words. First word, smoker. What is the meaning of the word smoker? To give up smoking or nicotine use. I have always been a smoker. Second word, hand sauce. The meaning of the word hand sauce is hand sanitizer. Oh my God, my hands are dirty. Please pass me the hand sauce. Third word, stan. To be a fan of something. Example, oh my God, I stand those clothes, Raju. Thank you. Happy learning.
Good morning, children. Hi and hello on this auspicious day. We all celebrate Children's Day in our country and we also name it as Bal Divas. Yes, why do we celebrate Children's Day? You all know Children's Day is a celebrate childhood. And on Children's Day, tribute is paid to all children in the world. It's not only in our country but all over the world. The people around the world celebrate Children's Day and they all pay special tributes to the children and pay tributes to their childhood. Yes, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year on Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. As you know, who is Jawaharlal Nehru? Yes, he was the first Prime Minister of independent India. We got independence on 15th August 1947 and Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister and on his memory, on his birth anniversary, we do celebrate Children's Day. Yes, he was born in Allahabad on 14th November and he was the only son of Motilal Nehru, the noted advocate of that time, and Swarupa Rani, a housewife. As you all know, Nehru was studied in England. He went to England to have higher studies and he returned back to India in 1912. And Nehru got married to Kamala Devi in the year 1916 And then Jawaharlal Nehru with his wife Kamala and daughter Indira, they all formed a family and they started supporting Mahatma Gandhi in the independence of our country. Yes, and you can see that Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of red roses. You know, he is not only fond of children but also red roses, and that's the reason we compare the children with of red roses. And he often compared children with these flowers. So it is said that Nehru started wearing red flowers after a child pinned it to his coat. So for the first time a child pinned a red flower to his coat. From then onwards he started wearing that red flower on his coat, and then onwards he really enjoyed wearing that red flower on his coat. Apart from a good statesman, good politician, he showed his concern for small children, and the more popular Nehru's pictures show him with the children. So most of the times when you see Nehru's pictures, you find he is with the children. And Children's Day is celebrated all over this country, especially at school level. You know, in schools the kids gather.
To know about this day, that is Children's Day, Dorka ma'am is by her speech.
सभी को नमस्कार। सभी बच्चों को बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। नेहरू जी को बच्चों के लिए एक गौरवशाली प्रेम था और वे मानते थे कि बच्चे राष्ट्र के आने वाले भविष्य के निर्माता हैं। अगर हमें अपने भविष्य को सुरक्षित रखना है तो इन बच्चों के भविष्य का बेहतर दिशा में बनाना हम सबका कर्तव्य है। बच्चों के प्रति उनके प्रेम की एक झलक में हमारी भूमि उनके जन्मदिन को बाल दिवस के रूप में याद करने लगी। इस उत्सव का मुख्य उद्देश्य भारत के सभी नागरिकों को बच्चों को शिक्षा प्रदान करने के अधिकार देने के प्रति जागरूक करना था। सही दिशा में बढ़ना उनका अधिकार है और इसलिए बच्चों के भविष्य के आधार पर एक सुव्यवस्थित और समृद्ध राष्ट्र का विकास किया जा सकता है। भारत में 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाया जाता है। इस दिन भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की जयंती होती है। 1964 में नेहरू जी के निधन के बाद संविधान सभा ने 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाने का निर्णय लिया। नेहरू जी बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते थे और बच्चे भी उन्हें प्यार से नेहरू चाचा बुलाते थे। नेहरू जी सभी के लिए प्रेरक रहे हैं। इस दिन बाल दिवस मनाने से बच्चों के प्रति अपने कर्तव्यों और जिम्मेदारियों के एहसास के द्वारा उन्हें अपने बच्चों के भविष्य के बारे में सोचने पर मजबूर करता है। इस दिन लोग इस बात की शपथ लेते हैं कि वे कभी अपने बच्चों की उपेक्षा नहीं करेंगे। और बाल दिवस के अवसर पर मैं एक छोटी सी कविता बताना चाहती हूँ। एक एक यदि पेड़ लगाओ तो तुम बाग लगा दोगे, एक एक यदि ईंट जोड़ो तो तुम महल बना दोगे, एक एक यदि पैसा जोड़ो तो बन जाओगे धनवान, एक एक यदि अक्षर पढ़ लो तो बन जाओगे विद्वान। सभी छात्र छात्राएं ध्यान दीजिए कि अंतिम का एक एक यदि अक्षर पढ़ लो तो बन जाओगे विद्वान। तो सब लोग ये याद रखिए और अपने लक्ष्य प्राप्त करने तक रुकिए मत। और मैं यहाँ पर कुछ कोट्स शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। The sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. A very happy Children's Day to all the kids in the world. Spend this day with unlimited fun. दूसरा है Children spread joy and happiness in every season as they are.
All of us know that home is the first school, means parents are the first teachers to us. You see over here a mother teaches a child for an examination. What happens next? Let's see.
Hi, Mummy. Good evening.
Hello, Jasmine. How are you?
I am good, Mummy. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. How was the day?
Day was good, Mummy. I wrote the exam very well. Amma, so much I studied now, Mummy. I wrote very well. Very well I wrote.
You had physics exam today.
Yeah, physics exam I wrote. I studied now. Yesterday you taught me now.
Yes.
I studied so much. Mummy, you.
What was the question, Jasmine?
Abba, mummy, you again ask questions so much, mummy. I have to remember.
Okay.
What is physics is the question.
Okay.
What
very
is
good.
physics?
What is physics? What did you write?
Mummy, I wrote half of the exam, half of the answer, mummy. I wrote very well. I get 50%. Promise I'll get 50%.
Why half of the answer?
I remember only half of the answer, mummy. But I'll get 50%. Promise, 50% I'll get for sure.
Okay. What did you write?
I wrote, that is physics. What happened, mummy? Why are you sad?
Did you get 50% for that?
Half of the answer I wrote, I'll get 50% only, no, mummy? What? That is physics is answer only, no? Half of the answer only, no?
You did not write?
What?
Physics is the study of energy and matter in space and time.
I forgot, mummy. I remembered energy, but I forgot the rest, mummy. I wrote 50%, I'll get English. Don't worry, mummy, please don't feel sad. I'll get 50%, promise.
You will get 0, a big under.
No, no, I don't know.
Now we have some teachers wishing you all on this occasion.
Good morning, children. Wish you happy Children's Day.
Okay. Hi everybody out there. Happy Children's Day. All I can say on this day, utilize the time properly, and my best wishes for you. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Happy Children's Day.
Wish you happy Children's Day.
Morning children, a very warm wishes to all of you on this special day. May God bless you to achieve all your goals and dreams and fulfill it in a beautiful way. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.
Hi children, wishing you a very happy Children's Day. I am wishing you a bright future and a successful career in your life, and God bless you.
Hello, good morning children. Children, you are a heritage from God. So you are very precious to us and hope of our future. So shine bright and shine for Fiji. Happy Children's Day. We all love you.
Here are some photographs which shows how the teachers have worked hard to make this event a successful. We as an individual think to ourselves that we are very, very intelligent. So your math teacher gives us a puzzle. Let's solve it.
The next question is, which two letters are farthest in English alphabet? Make a note, think and give the answer.
Ma'am, the question is wrong, ma'am.
Question is wrong. Okay.
Ma'am, there is no right option, ma'am.
No correct option. What is your answer?
A to Z.
A, Z is already included here.
Ma'am, that is capital and capital Z, ma'am. But the context is capital A, capital B, capital C, so on up to capital Z, and then small a, small b, small c, and small z.
That is your logic.
Yes, ma'am. Capital A to small z.
So your answer is A and this Z you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great, wonderful, good. Let me see what others have to answer here.
Yes, ma'am. I got option C, ma'am.
You got option C. I kept option C so that you can eliminate it easily. We do not have. See, S is. How can S be farthest to S?
Yes,
S itself.
it is possible, ma'am. You smile once, ma'am. You see in that smile, is there in between it.
In the word smiles, there is a mile between two S, you want to say.
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine. These are the logics that you have.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me see you in tomorrow's class.
Just give a minute. I can write a poem, says Kamala ma'am.
शुभोदय। मेरे सभी प्यारे छात्र व छात्राओं को
मेरी ओर से बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरी आशा है कि आप सभी अपने जीवन में सफल हो, कामयाबी आप सभी के कदम चूमे तथा आप सभी का भविष्य उज्जवल हो। इन्हीं दुआओं के साथ मैंने आप सभी के लिए एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी है जिसका शीर्षक है मेरी दुआ। तो कविता कुछ इस प्रकार है। छात्र मेरे छात्र कितने अच्छे, छात्र मेरे छात्र कितने अच्छे, ये सारे हैं मन के सच्चे, ये सारे हैं मन के सच्चे। खेल खेल में सब सीख जाते, खेल खेल में सब सीख जाते, हर चीज़ में ये आगे आते, हर चीज़ में ये आगे आते। भोली सूरत भोला मन, भोली सूरत भोला मन, सबने जीता मेरा मन, भोली सूरत भोला मन, सबने जीता मेरा मन। जब ये कहे मैम मैम, जब ये कहे मैम मैम, दिल से निकले यही दुआ, दिल से निकले यही दुआ, हर कामयाबी को आप छुओ, हर कामयाबी को आप छुओ, हर कदम आगे रहो, हर कदम आगे रहो। छात्र मेरे छात्र कितने अच्छे, छात्र मेरे छात्र कितने अच्छे, ये सारे हैं मन के सच्चे, ये सारे हैं मन के सच्चे। धन्यवाद।
Children, I hope you all are enjoying the event. Here are some more wishes for you all.
Hi children, good morning. Happy Children's Day. As you know that teaching is my passion. Because of you people, my passion is fulfilled. Thank you very much.
Good morning children. I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Hi students. Children, all you are a different kind of flowers and all you make together this world a beautiful garden. Don't let your creativity die, and I wish you a happy Children's Day. Thank you children.
Good morning. I wish all my wonderful students and all the children a happy Children's Day. When we were young, we always wanted to grow up. But believe me children, childhood is the best phase in one's life. There's nothing that you cannot achieve. There's nothing that you cannot do. Nothing is impossible in life. You can surely do what you want, but only if you want to. I wish all the best for your future, and I wish that all your dreams come true. Thank you.
Good morning children. First, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. Thank you all of you.
Hello my dear students, hope you all are doing well. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I want to convey that there is nothing better feeling than being surrounded by children, and I feel blessed being a teacher for you, and I feel fortunate that I have the best students. Happy Children's Day to you all. Stay happy, stay safe, keep smiling.
Good morning children. Children spread joy and happiness in every season. As they are most beautiful creation of God, they spread fragrance of love wherever they go. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, one and all.
Good morning everyone. Every child is different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day, one and all. Always remember that it is better to lose an argument to win a friend than win an argument and lose a friend. Happy Children's Day once again, one and all.
Happy Children's Day to all of you. There is something in this world which money cannot buy, and that is childhood, right? Keep the child always alive in you, and this you will realize when you grow up, that what was the importance of being a child. And even Happy Children's Day to all grown-ups also. This is one of the sweet and best way to celebrate Children's Day. It's a reminder, in fact, to keep all the time the child in our heart alive. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థిని విద్యార్థులకు బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ బాలల దినోత్సవాన్ని ఎందుకు జరుపుకుంటామంటే నెహ్రూ గారికి పిల్లలంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఎందుకంటే పిల్లలు దేశానికి భవిష్యత్తు అని, వాళ్ళను విద్యావంతులుగా తయారు చేయాలని ఆయన యొక్క కోరిక. అంటే విద్యార్థులు ఉన్న స్థితి నుండి ఉన్నత స్థితికి ఎదగడానికి సాధన చాలా అవసరం. మరి వాళ్ళు సాధన చేయాలంటే, అంటే విద్యార్థులు ఎదగాలంటే వారికి గురువు చాలా ప్రధానమైనటువంటి అంశం. ఎందుకంటే గురువు లేని సాధన సరైనటువంటిది కాదు. శ్రీ మహావిష్ణువు అయిన భూమి మీదకి అవతరించి వస్తే అతనికి కూడా గురువు అవసరపడ్డాడు. ఆయనే సాందీపముని. శ్రీరాముడికి కూడా వశిష్ఠుడు, విశ్వామిత్రుడు గురువులుగా ఉపయోగపడ్డారు. అలాగే మనము శివుని రూపంగా భావించేటటువంటి జగద్గురు ఆదిశంకరాచార్యులకు కూడా గురువుగా గోవిందపాదులు గారు ఉపయోగపడ్డారు. పిల్లలు అంటూ ఉంటారు అప్పుడప్పుడు, ఏమరా ఏం చేస్తారా, మనకి కొడతాడా తిడతాడా, ఏమైనా 3 కొమ్మలు ఉన్నాయా అంటుంటారు. ఎస్, 3 కొమ్మలు ఉన్నాయి, ఉండాలి కూడా, లేకపోతే దానికి అర్థం లేదు. ఎలా అంటే గురువు అన్నాం అనుకోండి, గా కొమ్మిస్తే గు, రా కొమ్మిస్తే రు, వా కొమ్మిస్తే ఊ, గురువు అయింది. లేకపోతే అది గరవ అయితే అది అర్థవంతంగా ఉండదు. కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్కరి జీవితంలో గురువు అనేవాడు చాలా ప్రధానమైనటువంటి అంశం మనం భావించాలి. ఎప్పుడు కూడా అన్ని నాకే తెలుసని ఎప్పుడు కూడా అనుకోవద్దు. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. మరొకసారి అందరికీ బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే.
ప్రియ విద్యార్థిని విద్యార్థులకు బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేటి బాలలే రేపటి పౌరులని నానుడి మనకు తెలిసిందే. ఈనాడు బాల్యదశలో ఉన్నటువంటి మీరు క్రమశిక్షణతో, అంకిత భావంతో పనిచేసి విజ్ఞానవంతులై దేశానికి ఉపయోగపడేటువంటి పనులు చేసి ఇంజనీర్లుగా, డాక్టర్లుగా, సైనికులుగా, శాస్త్రవేత్తలుగా అభివృద్ధి చెందాలని చెప్పేసి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మరొకసారి బాలల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
It's time for laughter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, already one person is sleeping. Okay,
Yes.
let him see. Yesterday we have learned so much. I have given you all homework also. Did you all do that all?
Yes, ma'am. I have done. I have completed everything, ma'am. You
Okay.
can ask anything.
Okay. Then what is the most intoxicating element?
Most intoxicating element, ma'am. Books, ma'am. Books.
Books?
Yes, ma'am. Books.
Why?
Books, ma'am. Because whenever we open books, we fall asleep, ma'am.
Oh, till now I didn't realize it. So good. Good answer then.
Thank
Sit
you,
down.
ma'am.
Sit down. Hello?
Ma'am,
What happened? You're sleeping?
ma'am, your lesson is so soothing that made me to fall asleep, ma'am. Your voice is really nice, ma'am.
So sweet my voice is. Then I will go on to this Saregama competition.
Definitely, ma'am. We all will vote for you, ma'am.
Oh,
We are
thank
supporting
you.
ma'am.
Please vote for me at that time.
Ma'am, thank you for your lecture, ma'am.
Hello. Hi. Why didn't you come today? Guess what? I forgot. I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Beta, you should not speak while someone is sleeping. You will become mannerless. Do you know that?
Really, Mama?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Mama. I will not do it again.
Oh, my sweet bacha. Such an intelligent child I got. I
Thank
love
you, Mama.
I love you, my bacha.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Someone who speaks while one is sleeping is called mannerless.
Yes, Mama.
Then what is it someone called who speaks while 30 are asleep?
30 means more. That means more mannerless. Simple.
No, Mama. Someone who speaks while 30 are asleep is called a teacher.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please sit down. Yes, children. We will continue from yesterday's problem. Make a note of this question. Write this. Yes, do the multiplication and give the answer.
So many numbers to multiply, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
How I got it out?
What is it you're doubting?
So many numbers are there. All numbers are afraid of 7.
All the numbers are afraid of 7.
Yes.
How come?
It is there.
How can a number be afraid of any other number?
7, ma'am. They are afraid of 7.
How is it possible?
See, ma'am, I will tell you. 7 number is there. That is 7, 8, 9.
Oh, very good logic. Excellent. Well done. Tomorrow I'll meet your parents. I'll talk to them about you.
Thank you. Hello. What? Waiting. Not enjoyed till now? Yeah, you'll enjoy more. Now I will see who is going to be sitting in their places. Right? Okay. All of you all know that no program is completely enjoyable without a dance performance. Right. Here is a beautiful presentation by your lovely teachers. I'm sure you all will enjoy it. speech by our beloved Principal Ma'am.
Good morning, children. Wish you a very happy Children's Day on behalf of all the teachers and myself. I would say school life is the best part of anyone's life, and make the best use of these days when you are in school. Yes, of course, you are not in a physical school for the reasons known to everyone, but you will very soon come back. Let's hope and pray that we are coming back to school. All of us should be in school with us. Utilize every moment what you spend with your teachers, because you will never get back these days. This is the time when you have a carefree life. You just have to enjoy, study, and of course you take part in co-curricular activities, a number of activities with your teachers and your parents, but you don't have to have any burden on your head. Everything is taken care by your parents and your teachers. So that is the time when you have to think, develop your personality, because here you get a lot of opportunities to participate in different things, and later on it is useful in your life. And I would just end here saying that be a child lifelong, because that is the beauty of human life, and wish you again a happy Children's Day.
Children, all of us are telling, enjoy your childhood, enjoy your childhood. What is there in the childhood? You people might not be knowing all the qualities which are present in a child. Here are your biology teachers who are telling that children are the powerhouses of our school. Good morning, children. Happy Children's Day to one and all, whoever are watching this program. There are so many things that we can buy in daily life with money. But one thing is there that we cannot buy, children, that is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of the childhood. In this slide, you all can observe teachers taking classes. In spite of their busy schedule, we took time to prepare for this event. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Just think, how was this possible? Simple. We can do anything. Just a thought is required. Everything is in your hands. Think of it. You can move boulders. Everything you need is already within you. The time has come for you to step up and be great. I want to congratulate Harshin as he is representing the India in International Junior Science Olympiad. May you forever believe in yourself and follow your dreams. You are loved today and forever. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
I thank our beloved principal ma'am, teachers, and each and everybody who has taken a part in it to make it a grand success. Thank you all.